When we moved to the United States, adjusting to a new culture was a challenge I didn't expect. I have lived with North Americans for a good 2 years. I have encountered many opportunities where I engaged with Americans, but coming here was different somehow. I thought I had it. The way people live, eat, work, and interact was different than what I was expecting. But over time, I realized that adapting to a new culture does not mean losing your own. It means embracing new experiences while staying true to who you are. I learned to enjoy new foods, celebrate different holidays, and understand new customs. I also found strength in connecting with other people who shared my background, fellow Malagasy, international students, and others who had been through the same challenges. No matter where you go in the world, you can carry your culture with pride while embracing the new one around you. I am proud to be from Madagascar. Follow me for more tips on adapting to a new environment while keeping your roots strong.